PVC pipes are not recycled, so construction workers have to continuously use new pipes, therefore it causes pollution for our earth.
For our first test, we collected all of our plastic and had a metal pipe for a mold.
For our second trial, we cut up little pieces of plastic and rolled them on a silicone mat when they were hot out of the oven.
For the third test, we cut metal bars and hung them with hooks in the oven. Once the plastic had melted, we took tongs and pinched the bottom of the plastic, forming a pipe.
For our fourth trial, we repeated what we did for our third test, but the plastic was so big that it melted to the bottom of the oven.
Our fifth and final try was successful. We borrowed a heat gun instead of using the stove. Then we got a plastic bucket and cut strips with a table saw. From there we heated the plastic and molded it around a metal pipe. To hold it together we used rubber bands and then metal post clamps. We found concrete pieces and put them on the pipes.